Question is given a plus b is equal to 10, a minus b is equal to 15, a times b is equal to what? We have to find out the value of a times b here. So first equation is, we can say this is solution. Let's see how we can solve this equation. So solution, a plus b is equal to 10, right? We can consider this is equation number 1. Next one is a minus b is equal to 15. This is second equation. We have these two equations, so we have to solve from this one. So we can add equation 1 and 2. So add equation 1 and 2, then we will get a plus b is equal to 10. Next one is a minus b is equal to 15, right? Now we have to add this equation, plus plus plus. So a plus a, it will become 2a, plus b minus b, it will become cancelled. 2a is equal to plus 10 plus 15, 25. 2a is equal to 25. 2a is equal to 25. Therefore a is equal to 25 by 2, right? This is the value of a. Now we have to find out the value of b. So we can find out value of b by substituting this value, a is equal to 25 by 2 in equation 1 or equation 2. So here we will substitute in equation 1, right? You can substitute in equation 2 also. You can check from equation 2. I am substituting here in equation 1. So here a plus b is equal to 10. Now value of a is 25 by 2. So we can substitute this value, 25 by 2 plus b is equal to 10, right? Now we have to find out the value of b. So we can say b is equal to 10 minus b is equal to 10 minus 25 by 2, right? Now b is equal to, we are taking LCM here. So here 10 to the 20, so we can say 20 minus 2 is cancelled from 2, 20 minus 25 by 2. So here value of b is equal to 25 minus 25 plus 20, it will become minus 5 by 2. This is the value of b, right? So here we got the value of a is equal to 25 by 2 and value of b is equal to minus 5 by 2. But in question we have to find out the value of a times b. This is given, right? Now we have to multiply this value. So here a times b is equal to, value of a is 25 by 2, 25 by 2 times minus 5 by 2, right? So we can say value of a times b is equal to, here 2 and this is 25, 25 5s are. So here it will become minus 125 divided by 2 2s are 4. So this is the value of a times b. So we can say this is the value of a times b and this is the solution. A times b is equal to minus 125 by 4. This is the solution. This is the easiest question. So you can solve easily in another type of question like this way. Thank you.